Welcome back everyone. I have a USB drive here, and all files were deleted by mistake, including photos, videos, and Excel files. Let's see if we can recover everything successfully. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files using RecoveryFox AI. RecoveryFox AI is a powerful data recovery software that can recover photos, videos, documents, audio files, and many other file types from USB drives, hard drives, SSDs, memory cards, and more. One useful feature is the AI scanning system, which performs both quick scan and deep AI scan to find recently deleted files as well as older lost files that normal recovery tools may miss. The software also organizes recovered files using file path and file type views, making it easier to find exactly what you need. It also supports previewing files before recovery, so you can check whether your important files are recoverable before purchasing the full version. First, open your browser and search for RecoveryFox AI, or use the link in the description. Open the official website and download the free version. After download, install the software like a normal Windows application. Now open RecoveryFox AI. Here you can see all available drives connected to the computer. I'll select my USB drive and click Scan. Now the scanning process will start. During the scan, you'll see two tabs available here: File Path and File Type. The File Path tab shows files according to their original folder locations and structure. This is useful if you remember where your files were stored before deletion. The File Type tab organizes files by categories like photos, videos, documents, and more. This makes it easier to quickly find a specific file type. Now wait until the AI scan reaches 100%. The software first shows quick scan results, and you can already see many previously deleted files appearing here. After that, the AI scan continues deeper and finds even more deleted files from the USB drive. You can see photos, videos, and Excel files all listed here. Inside File Type, every category is separated clearly, including previously deleted files. Now simply select the files you want to recover. Click Recover. At this point, the software asks for an activation code. The free version allows you to scan files and preview recovery results. So before purchasing, you can check whether your important files are recoverable or not. If you're satisfied with the scan results, you can purchase the product by clicking Buy Now. You can also go back to the download page and open the pricing section. Here you can see 4 available plans. For a limited time, even the 1-week plan is available. But I personally recommend the lifetime plan. The price is almost double compared to short plans, but you can use it forever on your computer. After purchasing, copy your license key. Now return to RecoveryFox AI, enter the key here, and click Register Now. After successful registration, click Recover again. Now choose the recovery location. I'll select Desktop, then create a new folder for recovered files. Click OK. The recovery process will now start. Once recovery is completed, the folder opens automatically. Let's check the recovered files. All my deleted files are back and working perfectly, including photos, videos, and Excel files. Many recovery programs recover Excel files with errors or corrupted data, but in this case everything opened without any problems. So that's how you can recover deleted files using RecoveryFox AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech videos.